Here is a wonderful 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The trend-setting Grand Caravan delivers spacious seating for 7 with plenty of creature comforts, convenient versatility, and the power to make your drive fun and relaxing. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: power liftgate, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Make the most of your family's growing years. Get into the Grand Caravan and enjoy the ride.